guys, this is with Off Leash Canine Training. Today I just picked up a 1-year-old Rottweiler named Roxy. The owner has a couple concerns with her. She pulls on the leash. Whenever a dog comes up, she gets super energetic and she starts pulling, digging, barking, trying to get to them. Also, when she comes in contact with people, she's jumping on them, barking, rolling around, acting crazy. The owner does say she has an understanding of what the obedience are, but Roxy chooses when and where she's going to do them. So stay tuned for Roxy's after videos. Thank you.
We came to Off Leash with Roxy over here, and we bought her because she was having behavioral issues with just coming when told and sitting down when told, staying in the same place, and we're amazed that she actually listens. She does everything she's supposed to do. She comes when she's supposed to, she sits when she's supposed to, and we can actually leave her at a long distance without her breaking place. So that's awesome, and we love Off Leash. We're so excited. We're excited to go home with her and practice a lot more of all of the things that she learned with Ian. So thank you.